3 2 3
Oh, better. Wow, wow, wow. Let me see what inside this box. What we have here, guys. Oh, cool, cool, cool. Go away. Book, go away. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh. Can hear the sound, guys. I like this sound. So cool. And here we have the option Bluetooth. Okay, well with the 2.4 gigabyte, and here is so cool. Up here and switching mode. Okay, look at the back. Wow. Big left it on back. Okay. Here. Okay, look at what we have here.
keycap
Yeah, we have the keycap and
Type-C connector.
yes, that's so cool, so nice. Okay, guys, I like this so much, and thank you for watching. See you.
Thank you for